Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2005 Suzuki GSX-R1000. This leader sports bike is in excellent condition. It's got some nice highlights on it, so let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike has just a little under 22,000 miles on it and has been very well taken care of. It comes with a tinted windscreen. As you can see on the front end here, it's got mirror blocks on it, and then they've installed bar end mirrors on it. Unfortunately, those all have to come off because this bike doesn't have any front blinkers on it. So those are going to be removed and be factory mirrors with the blinkers in the back of them will be reinstalled here. So tires are in great shape, got plenty of miles left on that. It comes with adjustable levers. It also has a tank pad. It has a solo seat cowl. It also comes with an aftermarket pipe. It's got a fender eliminator with smoked signal and taillight cover. Rear tire itself is in great shape. Got a plate relocator on it. Aftermarket engine cover. Really a nice leader bike. Alright, show you those miles now. 21,767. I gotta set the camera down here. Looks like it might have HIDs in it too. This GSX-R1000 will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other motorcycles, as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a lifetime discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.